Anyways, I need to change my background. I at least need to fix it back. Let's just ignore that for the rest of the video.
Took the plane at LAX with a dream, my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame excess. Am I gonna fit in? Jumped in the cab, here I am for the first time. Look to my right and I see the Hollywood sign.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Johnny. I do tutorials, makeup tutorials, only using drugstore products or cheap products and makeup reviews and all that good stuff, but only cheap and drugstore, okay? And subscription boxes, obviously. Okay, so let's talk about the lighting really quick. You can see all my imperfections on my makeup. Okay, girls, I am gonna heat up in this lighting because I was trying an experiment on having 3 type of lightings. I hope it's way better. Let me know in the comments below, see what y'all think. Is it better? I hope so, because I need better lighting. See, I don't have natural lighting, so I need better lighting. But anyways, we're not talking about the lighting that much. We are talking about MorpheMe. You already know MorpheMe. It's obviously a Morphe brush type of thing. It's a brush subscription. You get from 3 to 5 brushes. I don't remember how much it is worth. I think it's around 50. I don't remember. It's $20. Last month we did get I think like 4 brushes, and this month we only got 3. Only 3. But we did receive the rose gold collection, which I'm pretty excited about because I'm getting 2 brushes that I really want to try out. And you already know I have never tried Morphe before. It's rare when I try a Morphe products. This is the second time I received my MorpheMe. So yeah, if y'all want to see what I got for this month, then keep on watching. Okay, so like I told you, MorpheMe is a $20 monthly subscription. So this month's subscription, what is it called? Okay, this one is called Bride to Be, and this is the Morphe Happily Ever After. I do not know why they call it like that, like why. But this is you get this little thingy-majiggy in there. So these are the brushes we received this month. I'm really excited for R1 because we did receive R2 last month, as y'all know. And so this is R1, and let's go ahead and start with R1, which is in the one in the middle. Okay, this is a deluxe pointed powder brush. This tapered pointed powder brush is a special gift from the Fairy Glam mother. Not only can you use it to press powder into your skin or under eye area, but it can be used to contour, blush, highlight as well. Okay, they said that the same thing. They said the same. Okay. They said the same thing for the R2. Honey, I don't use that R2 for contouring. I use it to set my face. So this is pretty much the R2, and this is the R1. That's a big step between the R2 and the R1. Oh. See, I can see myself applying blush or bronzer with, or contouring, some type of contouring. But this is the R1 and this is the R2. They're pretty much similar. It's just the R2 is a little bit more fluffier, a little bit more packed together, which the R1 is a little bit more flimsy, but they're both super soft, obviously. I would see myself using this maybe to bronze up, or maybe to apply blush, but never for highlighting. or to set my under eye, or to brush off any baked powder. We do see we have a little floppy hair right here, which y'all know I do not mind. Mine has not shed at all, so that's pretty good. But I'm glad we got the R1, just so I can have R1 and R2. And obviously it's the rose gold collection, so hey, who doesn't like rose gold? This is the Morphe R12. Okay, the only thing I do not like about these brushes are the hairs on the side. Normally hairs brush off like no other. I did have a cheapy type of fan brush, which was the only one that I reached for, but now that I bought my highlighting brush from Shop Miss A, I don't use any other type of fan brush or highlighting brush. I just use that one. But I see myself using this for highlighting. It is pretty soft, and I don't like this lighting. It's showing all my imperfections. It is pretty soft. And let's just ignore my oily nose. I've been having this makeup, guys, since 5:30 in the morning. Yeah. So yeah, it is pretty soft. I see myself using this for obviously highlighting. I think it's really fluffy, really soft. It's not that flimsy. It is just perfect for highlighting. Okay, the mostly one that I was so excited for, and I wish we received almost all of them in every pack. Like, come on, I wish we received this type of brushes in every single pack. This is the, oh, I forgot to tell y'all about the R12. Okay, this is the R12 Deluxe Highlight Fan Brush. This is for a fairy tale ending. Throw some pixie dust on those cheekbones using this feather light fan brush. These bristles will let you sweep highlighter on your face evenly and flawlessly. Okay, and so the R35, this is the deluxe blender. This deluxe blender will be blending will be the blending brush of your dreams. You sure? Okay. Use its domed taper tip for effortlessly swipe shades into your crease and blend them to perfection. So this is a blending crease brush. Okay, I do see myself using this. It is not that flimsy, not that packed up together. I see myself using this really to diffuse the crease, or just use it as a transition shade brush type of thing. I really find myself using this brush for a whole bunch of things. Even to blend out the outer V is just a multitasking brush. I would also use this for highlighting. Like, I mean, brushes are used for everything. They're not specifically for whatever they tell you so. So, you know, you can use a brush for multitasking. You never know. I mean, you can. Okay. But I really wish we received a kind of blending brush in every pack. I feel like blending brushes are like the most big thing. So yeah, if I wouldn't have went to the Morphe store or something like that, I would have never picked up these brushes. Well, maybe, yeah, this one, obviously. But these other two, I don't see myself buying them at the store. But for $20, that is pretty good, guys. Pretty good. I am really impressed with these brushes. Like I said, this is the second time I received a Morphe brushes. I think they're good quality. They are so soft after you wash them. I have washed I have washed the other ones a whole bunch of times. I have not seen any shedding, fluffy and all that stuff. I really see myself reaching for these brushes a lot, and I'm excited for next month's brushes. I hope we receive 4 instead of 3, but I'm still happy what we got. Okay, I can't speak today. But that's pretty much it. I hope y'all enjoyed this MorpheMe. I'm really enjoying these. It's just this little fan brush. Okay, these hairs are driving me nuts. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this MorpheMe packaging, unboxing, unbagging, whatever you can call it. If you have not tried MorpheMe, I really recommend them. I need to stop saying it seems like in every video I say but yeah, there we go again. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, if y'all have not tried MorpheMe, I totally recommend it. I mean, it is pretty good to, once more, it is pretty good to build up your brush collections and, you know, to, you know, what was that word I was going to say? I forgot it. Okay, to try out new brushes. There you go. To try out new brushes. I mean, yeah, I'm enjoying Morphe brushes. They're just so good. So good. So yeah, guys, I'll go ahead and leave the link below for the MorpheMe. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to please give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you want to enjoy drugstore and cheap videos, then yeah, that's what you will get in my channel. But yeah, once more, don't mind the background. I'm still working on my background. As y'all can see, I already kind of fixed it, but not really. Let's just ignore that. Okay. But yeah, guys, I'll go ahead and let y'all go, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll go ahead and see you on Friday. I believe it's Friday. Okay. Bye, guys.